going to begin my bike quest check with my ODI red long nicks that are very good for jacking off with. These are cut Primo Towboys that I don't like anymore, and I'm getting new ones. And this is my Fit DLT stack.
DLT, motherfucker.
I got a Eastern integrated headset, 21-inch Eastern Grimmy Brew 2-frame, Fit Shift forks, Cinema Tungsten, I think that's how you say it, front wheel, and white. I like these rims. I got a folding 2.25 Fed FAF Dirt.
10?
220. Okay, so I also have. Okay, this is really weird. Watch this. Ready? Anyways, I have Odyssey JCPC pedals with premium cranks at below cock. Don't ever buy these. I just traded this motherfucker. Sprockets. Now I have a Primo Annihilator sprocket. And my chain is a KMC half-link. I think that's what it is.
Actually, it's a hollow pin.
Hollow pin. Okay. My seat is a volume pivotal in white. I like the seat because it's fucking comfy. My post is a shitty ass stolen Thermalite that I broke.
Yeah, that this motherfucker broke.
My back wheel is custom. It's Cinema like the front, but it's Primo spokes laced to a Primo mix sub. Sounds like this. I run Shadow Little Ones pegs that look like shit.
Paid it twice.
I think that's it. My bottom bracket is Shadow. That's all, motherfucker. What's up, motherfuckers?